working on making a turn here. It comes down the hill like this, and then I got to make a left turn, and you can see all these big rocks here I'm working on. It's a slow process, but I think I can get it. Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome back. So the last few days I've made a lot of really good progress on cutting our new UTV and pickup truck trails through our Missouri Ozarks Mountain property. If you look at the terrain here, I know it's really deceiving on the GoPro. Doesn't look that steep, but if you look at the upper right and the lower left, you could see just how steep this hillside is. And here you got the rock rolling down. So I need to make this safe, particularly for Sharon when she's driving in the buggy. So I have to cut the basically the right-hand side down a couple feet and build up the left-hand side of this new road. So this is just one cut turn here. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, consider subscribing. We appreciate that. Maybe even share it. So let's get a little fresh air and cut this curve and see how it goes. Yeah, so I made an initial rough cut. You know, I've just basically cut down and to the left, and Sharon hiked it. We were out here together, and she's like, there is no way I'm driving the side-by-side on that. And I'm glad she recognizes that. We've had a few close calls over the years of near tipping, which is not that hard to do when you're in rugged country and hilly country. So I said, all right, I will fix it up and make it real nice and flat as best I can. All right, not half bad, man. That's how you navigate a mountain edge. Now it's quite safe all the way. I mean, I might grade it once more, but it's looking good. I'll take it.